Ever seen cars do the impossible? Today, we're diving into car inventions that are straight up from another dimension. These aren't just upgrades, they're next-level genius. Buckle up and let's get mind-blown together. And hey, if you want to see more insane stuff like this, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more wild adventures. The Pet Loader offers a secure method for helping your furry friend access your vehicle, be it an SUV, van, truck, or RV. With its broader design, it provides greater stability than traditional ramps, ensuring your pet's safety during use. Its foldable nature ensures hassle-free storage, making it an optimal solution for pet owners prioritizing both convenience and the well-being of their companions. The 4,000 pounds lift is a versatile and robust tool designed specifically for handling UTVs, ATVs, and snowmobiles. Crafted for strength and durability, this lift effortlessly elevates your off-road vehicles and winter sleds, ensuring easy maintenance, repairs, or storage. Engineered with precision, it promises a seamless lifting experience, making it an indispensable asset for enthusiasts and professionals alike. Whether you're prepping for the trails, ensuring your snowmobile is winter-ready, or simply looking for efficient storage solutions, this lift caters to all your heavy-duty needs. The reimagined doorstep presents an array of upgraded features, including rubber buffers and a safeguarded hook to minimize potential harm to your vehicle. Its vivid orange finish not only captures attention, but also ensures durability. With a more spacious platform, it supports standing on both feet for added stability. The Rightline Gear Moki doorstep is a versatile tool, aiding in tasks from car cleaning and rooftop loading to removing snow and fastening sports equipment. Installation is a breeze. Just latch it onto your door and detach when done. Conveniently compact, it stows away in storage areas like the glove box, ready for your next use. The Torelli Brake, engineered by Autoliv, addresses a pressing issue in vehicular safety: late braking with inadequate force leading to accidents. This innovative system integrates a vacuum-induced plate situated beneath the vehicle. In emergencies, this plate adheres to the road surface, resulting in a dramatic reduction in braking distance. In fact, at speeds reaching up to 70 kph, the braking distance can be curtailed by an impressive 40%. Such groundbreaking technology has the potential to redefine traffic safety standards, particularly in bustling urban settings. Experience the innovation of this powered ramps, designed to effortlessly elevate motorcycles weighing up to 1,200 pounds to a height of 4.9 feet. All you need is a standard cordless drill, suitable for a variety of vehicles, from pickups, including double cabs, to vans, trailers, and RVs, which this ramp ensure a drill-free installation process. With modularity at its core, the system is adaptable. Simply incorporate range of accessories to convert the ramp for diverse uses, whether it's for slide-outs, cargo loading, or accommodating three-wheel scooters, snowmobiles, lawnmowers, quads, and more. The Redmount 30T wireless column lift showcases cutting-edge technology for seamless vehicle elevation. Notably, it features an auto-leveling capability, ensuring precision and safety during the lifting process. This state-of-the-art equipment is designed for effortless operation, underlining the blend of innovation and utility in modern lifting solutions. The vertical rotary car parking system employs an innovative vertical cycling mechanism, enabling parking spaces to seamlessly shift to the entry and exit levels for effortless vehicle access. This state-of-the-art system optimizes space and introduces a modern twist to traditional parking solutions. The Yakima Road Shower is more than just an outdoor shower. Whether you're in need of a water supply for camping, mountain biking, trail building, or fishing, this product has got you covered. Bid farewell to the discomfort of dirt and grime after a day out in the wild. The Road Shower, with its robust aluminum tank, harnesses the sun's energy to warm water, providing you with a refreshing rinse even in remote locations. It's designed to be mounted on vehicles or trailers, ensuring you have access to pressurized water after those off-road escapades. Easy to repressurize using a hand or electric pump, the standard Road Shower comes equipped with a flexible hose, a spray nozzle, and durable brass fittings. For those who crave customization, there are additional attachments available, including alternate shower heads and dual water access options. Depending on your needs, choose from the 15-litre small or the 26-litre medium variants available in the EU and UK. The automatic Car Sunshade offers an innovative approach to shield your vehicle's interior from the intense sun. In mere minutes, cars can become swelteringly hot when exposed, but this sunshade acts as a barrier, ensuring the sun's rays don't penetrate. Featuring a remote-controlled operation, it provides both convenience and protection, making it an ideal choice for those scorching summer days in the parking lot. The ROMO, also known as ROboMObil, is an advanced ground-based robotic system equipped with a wheel on each of its 4 corners. This state-of-the-art creation, which can be maneuvered using a joystick or remote control, features an array of stereo cameras that offer comprehensive 360-degree 3D surveillance of its surroundings. Notably, each wheel unit is a marvel in itself, encompassing propulsion, steering, braking, and shock absorption capabilities. With its distinctive ability to move in unique patterns, including diagonal, sideways, and even spin in place, ROMO showcases exceptional mobility. Its underlying technology draws inspiration from DLR Robotics and Mechatronics Center's other inventions such as Space Justin. Furthermore, ROMO possesses the capability to operate autonomously, employing its sophisticated cameras and onboard computing system to determine the best possible route and movement dynamics. Those car inventions are truly game changers and show just how wild and innovative our world can be. I hope your minds are as blown as mine. Remember, if you enjoyed today's ride into the future of cars, make sure to give a thumbs up and share the excitement with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on our next epic journey. Catch you in the next one.